Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your product listings with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of protecting your product listings on Amazon. Research Amazon's policies regarding intellectual property and product listings. Create strong, unique product descriptions that accurately represent your items. Use high-quality images that showcase your products clearly and effectively. Register your brand with Amazon's brand registry to gain additional protections. Ensure your brand name is trademarked to strengthen your claim against violations. Monitor your listings regularly for unauthorized changes or competitor infringements. Utilize Amazon's reporting tools to flag any suspicious or infringing listings. Respond swiftly to any unauthorized sellers by filing an infringement report through Amazon. Consider enrolling in Amazon Transparency for added protection against counterfeits. Leverage Amazon's Project Zero to gain more control over your listings and reduce counterfeit issues. Build a strong brand presence through positive customer interactions and feedback. Educate your customers about your brand and the importance of buying authentic products. Stay updated on changes to Amazon policies that could impact your listings. Use third-party tools to help monitor and protect your listings more effectively. Foster relationships with legal experts or consultants who specialize in e-commerce protection. Keep detailed records of your products and any intellectual property rights you hold. Develop a clear plan to address potential threats to your product listings. Implement procedures for regular audits of your listings to ensure their integrity. Maintain communication with Amazon support regarding any concerns about your listings. Proactively engage with your audience to build brand loyalty and awareness. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the protection of your product listings on Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.